Enough reggae music. You must have to choose it. I saw them do it at Jamaica, you know. Roll it for rubber dub.
Jah Jah is the controller, world rightful ruler. Jah Jah is the controller, world rightful ruler. And Babylon a go on like say, they control this whole wide world. And to them no know say, the table a go turn one day. Oh long shall the wicked men reign over Jah Jah people, creating the wickedness on their people. But one stick of lightning and one shook of thunder, Jah Jah break their bonds of sunder and cast away their thoughts from us. And cast away their thoughts from us. Oh, Jah Jah is the controller, world rightful ruler. Oh, Jah Jah is the controller, world rightful ruler. Oh, Jah is the ruler. Oh, Jah is the ruler. Oh, long shall the wicked men reign over Jah Jah people, creating the wickedness on their people. One stick of lightning and one shook of thunder, Jah Jah break their bonds of sunder and cast away their thoughts from us. And cast away their thoughts from us. How long shall the wicked men reign over Jah Jah people, creating the wickedness and the evil? One stick of lightning and one shook of thunder, Jah Jah break their bonds of sunder and cast away their thoughts from us. And cast away their thoughts from us. Jah Jah is the controller, world rightful ruler. Oh, and Babylon a go on like say, they control this whole wide world. And to them no know say, the table a go turn one day. Oh long shall the wicked men reign over Jah Jah people, creating the wickedness on their people. But one stick of lightning and one shook of thunder, Jah Jah break their bonds of sunder and cast away their thoughts from us. And cast away their thoughts from us. Oh, Jah Jah is the controller, world rightful ruler. Oh, Jah Jah is the controller, world rightful ruler. Oh, Jah is the ruler. Oh, Jah is the ruler. Oh, long shall the wicked men reign over Jah Jah people, creating the wickedness on their people. One stick of lightning and one shook of thunder, Jah Jah break their bonds of sunder and cast away their thoughts from us.